Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record phone calls on Android without any application. First of all, you'll need to notice that most Android phones do not have an universal built-in call recording feature enabled by default due to its legal/privacy reasons and Google Play storage policies. So first of all, you would like to check if your phone has the built-in call recording. So you can use the default phone dialer app. Go and open that application that comes pre-installed on your phone and just make or receive a call. So as an example, let me just go and turn on my other phone and I'm going to give it a quick call. So as an example, or as you can see, I just made a call here. Let me just go on mute in both my phones. So as you can see in my phone right now, I do have keypad, I do have mute, speaker, and if I click here and more, I do have the record button. So in my phone, I can go and click on record. And as you can see, you'll find recording call. You or the other person in call might be somewhere that requires everyone to consent being recorded. Everyone will be notified ahead of time that the call is being recorded, and it's up to you to follow the laws about recording conversation and use call recording responsibly and turn it on only when needed. So you can go and click on start recording, and as you can see, it will start record the call. But as you saw, both people will be notified that the call will be recorded. So me and the other person. So if you don't have it built in, and if you don't have the record option built in your phone, you don't have an option to do it. So for me, I can just go and click on more and recording once I do the call. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.